Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming account details and the specific streak date so support can verify. Once done, open Snapchat and go to Profile, then Settings. Choose I Need Help. Next, select the streak's topic and tap Lost a Streak to open the form. Provide your username, the friend's username, and exact date and time when the streak ended. This precise info speeds verification and reduces back and forth with support. Now you fill the support form carefully. Explain how the streak stopped and include how long it lasted. Make sure to attach screenshots showing the streak icon, chat timestamps, and any delivery errors. These images act as evidence. Then list your device model, operating system version, and Snapchat app version so engineers can reproduce the problem. Once completed, review entries for accuracy and tap Submit. You'll receive an email confirmation with a ticket number. After submission, monitor your email and allow 24 to 72 hours for response. You can follow up using the ticket number if needed. If support denies the request, gather any additional screenshots or timestamps and ask for reconsideration politely while highlighting new evidence. Meanwhile, try practical fixes. Sign out and back in, reinstall the app, verify your internet, and check Snapchat server status. If nothing works, use the ticket thread to escalate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.